Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Class 3 English Unit 3 Anam is sick. In our today's class, we will discuss exercise F and exercise G of the vocabulary part. Take out your vision books and open up page number 62. Today, we will solve exercise F, that is on page number 62. Look at the question of exercise F. Fill in the missing letters in the puzzle. You can see that there is a puzzle on this page and there are some clues. There are two boxes in which clues are given. First of all, let's solve the words of the across ones. So they have given us a hint by which we can make the word across. Number 1, hang on windows. What is hang on windows? Yes, curtains. Number 1, curtains. Number 2, what is between two slices of bread? What is the thing that is between the two slices of bread? That is known as sandwich. I am solving and giving the hint of the across ones. Number 2, between two slices of bread. Between two slices of bread, that is known as sandwich. Number 3, the food passes through our, yes, the food passes through our throat. Number 3 will be throat. Number 4, causes illness. What is that causes illness? Yes, virus. Virus causes illness. Virus causes illness. Number 5, gets angry easily. Anyone or anything that is irritable, that irritates us, or we get angry, we can say that this is irritable. Now, I am reading the clues of the downwards from upward to downward. Number 6, illness of throat. Do you know what is the illness of throat called? Yes, the illness of throat, mumps. Anam also called mumps. The spelling of mumps will be mumps. Number 7. Number 7, the hint is that it's a passage. The passage means a way or a corridor. A way or a corridor. Number 7 will be corridor. Number 8, the doctor examines the patient here. Yes, in the clinic. It starts with C and ends with C. So, this is a clinic where the doctor examines the patient. Number 9, a room used for cooking. It starts with K and ends with N. Yes, this place is known as kitchen. That place is known as kitchen. Number 10, it is used for sitting. What is used for sitting? Yes, a chair. A chair is used for sitting. A chair is used for sitting. Now write down your answers like I have written. Number 1, curtains. Number 1, curtains. Number 2, sandwich. Number 3, throat. Number 4, virus. Number 5, Number 4, virus. Number 5, irritable. Number 6, mumps. Number 7, corridor. Number 8, clinic. Number 9, kitchen. And number 10, chair. Complete this exercise with the help of pencil in your book. Now, after solving exercise F, come towards exercise G. This is on page number 63. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. As you can see that there is a box and there is a picture. What we have to do, we have to complete these sentences with the help of the words which are given in the box. The dash were washed because they were dirty. The kitchen were washed. The sandwich were washed, or the curtains were washed. The curtains were washed because they were dirty. So we will write curtains. Number 2, mother asked Tahir to hang them in the dash. Mother asked Tahir to hang them in the kitchen. they can have a dash which is in the refrigerator. They can have a kitchen, they can have a curtain, or they can have a sandwich. They can have a sandwich which is in the refrigerator. Write down the answers. The curtains were washed because they were dirty. Mother asked Tahir to hang them in the kitchen. Then he can have a sandwich which is in the refrigerator. Number 2. Dr. Sultan will see his patient in his dash. Now choose the word from the box. Dr. Sultan will see his patients in his throat, virus, irritated, fever, or clinic. Clinic. Dr. Sultan will see his patients in his clinic. They must come on time. The nurse get irritated if they do not do so. The nurse get irritated if they do not do so. Today, there are a lot of patients because of the flu dash in the city. There are a lot many patients because of the flu virus in the city. Write down virus in blank number 3. Many people are sick. Some have dash too. Some have fever too. Many of the people are sick and some of them have fever too. Their dash is hurting and they cannot swallow food. Their throat is hurting and they cannot swallow food. Now write down the answers. Dr. Sultan will see his patients in his clinic. They must come on time. The nurse get irritated if they do not do so. Today, there are a lot of patients because of the flu virus in the city. Many people are sick. Some have fever too. Their throat is hurting and they cannot swallow food. Now we have completed exercise F and exercise G as well. Note down your homework. Do exercise F and G in your vision book, that is on page number 62 and 63. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.